Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're going to draw a delicious cupcake. Sounds like you like cupcakes. Okay, go ahead and grab a piece of paper, a pen, marker, crayon, whatever you have, and let's get started. Okay, so for this, we're going to start with the bottom of the cupcake liner. Okay, so for that, what we're going to do is let's draw a line.
Right here?
Yeah, so we're going to make lines that are two diagonal lines coming in towards the center. So let's start here on this side first. So first let's make one line like that. Going towards, yep, and then not too big, okay? And then another one from the right side going down towards the left, okay? So for that, let's go like that. So it gets more narrow as it comes towards the bottom.
Maybe just a little bit tall.
And then we're going to connect the bottom part. So I'm just going to make a line just to connect that part together. And then, you know how liners, they also have these like zigzag lines on the top?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to make these zigzag shapes on the top over here. So basically just go down and up, down and up, down and up, and just keep doing that.
It looks like a crown.
Kind of like a crown, yeah. So go ahead and you can start on your side.
I'm just going down and then up.
Yep. And then remember to connect both sides. Yep. So left, right up. Left, down, left, right up. And keep doing that and make sure to connect that side to that side. Yep. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll actually see the parts that are pointing down. We're just going to take those and we're going to make a line going down like this at the same angle. And we'll do the same thing on this side at the same angle until we go down the center like this. So just keep following the lines. Like that. And remember, if we're going too fast for you, you can always pause the video and finish the part that we just did and then play to continue with us. Yep, and then that one goes straight down. And then you can, I would start maybe back on the right side and work your way towards the left a little bit. And just kind of more straight down so that it touches the bottom, not the side. Because you want to go straight down like mine, see? Yeah, just go down. Or you can do it that way. Okay, and now for the delicious part. Well, actually, first we're going to finish off the actual top of the cupcake. So this is the cake part of it. So what we'll do for that is I'm going to make like a little bit of a curve on this side, a little bit of a curve on that side. Yeah, kind of like a little bit of a C shape on both sides. And then we're going to just connect.
Like a C on this side.
Yeah. And we're going to just connect this line to make a straight line connecting those two parts right there. Okay. Good. And now we're going to work on the frosting, which is going to be the top part. What kind of frosting do you like?
Red velvet.
Red velvet. So that would be cream cheese frosting? So for this one, what we'll do is we'll kind of follow the same thing that we just did is by making these curves. So we'll do the same thing on this side is we'll make another curve, but a little bit bigger and a little bit more in. Yep, and then we'll connect this one again. We'll just go like that. And this one doesn't have to be a perfect line. This one's more of like a curve, because the frosting is usually like more rounded.
Different.
Beautiful. Yeah, that's exactly right. And then we'll do another one. So we'll go like this. And we'll make another one like that. And for this part, we're going to do something a little bit different. So for here, instead of, we're going to make a line that's going to go all the way here, and then we're going to swoop it up. So, and actually I'm going to work on the swoop part first. So first I'm going to work on making a curve, connecting this part, and then going all the way to the other part. So curving around and then to the right. Yep. And then connect that part.
Where I am.
There you go. And then here we're gonna just make this is the very top of it. So we're gonna go like this and like that. So watch this part. So I'm gonna go in and out like that. In and up, kind of like a slide. There you go. What you can do is you can add another curve if you want. You can make more layers. I'm gonna stop mine right here. And how about we decorate this cupcake a little bit? What do you think?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add how about a smiley face?
Yeah.
You like smiley faces? Okay.
Love smiley
So for that, how about we'll make some eyes. So I'll make one curve going like that, and then another curve going like that for 2 eyes, and then some eyelashes sticking up, and a smiley face.
Went too fast.
Sorry. There you go, cute. And then how about one hand going out that way? So make one line going towards the right.
Yeah.
And then
They
for the
really
hands,
fade.
I just like to make a heart shape like that.
It's easier if you curve the paper a little.
Yeah, if you move the paper, that might make it easier for you. And then if you want, you can make a heart shape, a round shape, whatever shape you want for the hands. And then we'll do the same thing on this side, going out that way. And then do the same thing, do the heart. This hand's a little bit longer. Look at you. That's so cute. Okay,
Oh,
so
that's funny.
how about we add maybe a few more fun details? What if this cupcake had a lollipop on top?
Yeah.
Ooh, does that sound delicious to you? So for that, what we'll do is, how about we'll make a round shape on the top over here? So let's go something like that. Make a round circle on the top.
I'm gonna make mine bigger.
You can make yours bigger, smaller. You can make a different shape, whatever you want.
Too
And then this is going to be a stick going down. So I'll make 2 lines, but they're going to be very thin, like that. Yeah, perfect.
very thin.
And then I'm going to basically make some lines,
circles are so
like a
make.
lines that are just going across, and you're just dividing it up like a pizza slice. Just going across this way, that way, this
Like
way.
I know.
Exactly.
Like I
You can
do
make
not like
more
making
lines.
circles.
You can make less, it doesn't matter. Just however many you want.
I want to make more.
Can make more.
Done. Look how many lines I made.
Beautiful. And you know what I think this cupcake needs?
What?
I think it needs a heart. Like a heart-shaped candy or something, maybe sticking out of here. And maybe I'll do like a heart shape. Like that. And like that.
Line.
Mm-hmm.
I love making hearts.
And then I'm just gonna add a few more little dash details like that. Cute! And you know what else I'm gonna add to mine? I'm actually gonna add some sprinkles. You can add round sprinklers by doing some dots. You can add some dash lines. I think I'm gonna do a combination of both. I'm gonna do both.
Choosing.
Both dots. And I'm gonna do some dash lines too.
I'm gonna make some dash lines here.
So I've got all kinds of yumminess on this cupcake.
Dot, 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 dot,
You can do
dot.
different layers. Yep, just have fun with this.
Dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 dot.
Beautiful. Let's see.
Last one is heart.
Yay, that's our cupcake.
Yeah.
And if you want, you can do more fun things, of course, with this cupcake. You could do more decorations. You can add some more details here. Whatever you like, maybe add different kinds of candies. We're pretty much done here. And at this point, we're gonna take this and we're gonna start coloring our cupcakes in. So we're gonna speed up the video, color it in, and then come back and see how we finished. here are our finished cupcakes. Lila, let's do a close-up of yours. Very nice. Looks like, okay, so yours has actually how many different colors on the top frosting?
3.
3. What kind of flavor is this one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. What else?
Blackberry.
Blackberry.
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Yum. And how about the base? What is this cake part?
I just didn't want to do red.
You didn't want to do red, so is it like a lemon maybe? Or something?
Yeah, I like it.
This looks like a delicious cupcake.
Oh, this is like on the bottom, it's lemon bar. That would be like
Very yummy. And here's my cupcake. I've got like a, I would say this is like a raspberry frosting with a vanilla cake part. And then of course we have our lollipops, the heart and the round one. And this is, these are 2 very happy cupcakes. What do you think?
yeah.
Yeah?
This is like a nose.
Oh yeah, it does. Well, thank you for doing this drawing exercise with us. We really hope you enjoyed it, and we would love to see how your drawings turned out. So please take a photo and share with us. And the information for how to do that is right below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please check out our other videos, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, share with a friend, and come back for more. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.